I will be showing you how to fix your Bosch washing machine if you're having a no spin problem. This will apply to newer Bosch models that have the inverter motor on them. So if you're not too sure, take your model number. Your model number will be here on the energy sticker. There will be a model number there. It will usually start with something like WAP or WA something. Get that and Google the specs for your washing machine from Bosch. And if it's got a inverter motor in it, a brushless motor, then it means that one of your computers is not working, and I'll be showing you how to fix it and save yourself money by fixing yourself. It's something that you can easily replace by yourself. All you need to do is order the right part. And to do that, you need that model number. It will be here on the energy stickers. Inside the door, there is a model number. So if you can see over here on that sticker, there's a sticker here on your door that will have your model number. Failing that, at the back of the washer, there's also a sticker there that will have your model number. Take that, put it into Google and get, say, Bosch model number motor controller. But before you go and buy that motor controller, let's check to make sure that the drum hasn't seized. This thing has a spider behind it and it's got some bearings. So what you want to do is you want to turn it by hand, and if you feel it can still move around, then that means it's still good. You can proceed with the repair. And sometimes if you feel it's a bit heavy to turn, it means that that motor controller has an issue. So replacing them, that's a telltale sign. Is if you're turning this and you can feel a bit of resistance, that means that your motor controller needs replacing. You'll need some Torx, a Torx head screwdriver, T20, a flat screwdriver, a zip tie cutter, and you'll need that spare part. So go on eBay, call up Bosch. Maybe the best thing is to call up Bosch and ask for that part and buy it directly from Bosch, just so you can get a genuine part and you know that it's a brand new part. Something like this, you want it to go for years after you fix it. It will probably cost you maybe about 200 bucks or $180, but after you replace that, you should be good to keep going. We're gonna close the door, close that, turn it off, unplug from power in case someone comes along and plugs it in or you forget. At the back, we're going to need to take off this panel. There will be screws around it that you'll need to take off. Once you've got those screws off, the cover comes off by lifting it up and then it just comes out. Just be careful, it's sharp. As we look inside, we're gonna be working from the right at the bottom, which is where our motor controller is. On the left, you've got your main board. You got a main board here, and on the right in white, that casing, that is your motor controller. You're going to need to disconnect all those wires and install the new motor controller. If you find that access is too restricted, you can pull a tab. So there will be a tab on the bottom of it. There is a tab. There is a tab behind here, which you just pull on, and then you pull back the controller. That way, you've got easier access, and you can pull this a bit closer. You can take off all your connectors. If you want, you can remove this for easier access. I think we'll just take this off and make it easier for us to remove all these connectors. It's just a 10mm socket. Let's remove that. This just pulls out. It's gently. Yeah, there you go. Better access. First, we'll take off those zip ties. And there will be a clip at the bottom here. You just need to unhook, and this comes out. Little connector here. Comes out. It's our old board. So you chuck that to the side. Get the new one. Install the new one. Got zip ties, you can tie it back there. If you don't, that's okay. Before you close it, I recommend you plug it in and turn it on just to make sure that everything was well connected. And remember to put back this shocker. Otherwise, if you forget it, you have a problem. Back the cover, you lift it on. There's tabs on it. Goes on the bottom, and then at the top there's a little lip that you put it onto, and then you screw on the screws. See what happens, turn it on, take it for a spin. Put it on spin, take off the reins. Actually, we'll test to make sure that it's working. Yeah, no resistance in there. Means it's working. Then we'll take off, because it's on the spin and rinse. If yours is the same, just take off the rinse, press start. There you have it. That's how it's done. That's how you fix it. If you have any questions, you're not too sure, be sure to leave a comment in the comment section below and I will get back to you. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this has been helpful. I'll see you on the next one.